Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name's Jen. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video, I thought I would bring y'all along. I kind of have planned for myself and my girls today just a relaxing day at home. I do have a couple things that I want to go cook in the kitchen because to me that is the most cozy thing, and I have a few things I need to do around the house as well, but that's every day. And then also I have a super cute clothing haul that I cannot wait to share with y'all. So have some towels to fold, all kinds of stuff to do. If you guys want to hang out with me for a relaxing kind of day, stay tuned. So before we move on, I really wanted to share a quick clothing haul with y'all, including the outfit that I'm wearing, perfect for today. But a big thank you to Zulily for sponsoring this portion of today's video. I actually got so many cute new clothes from Zulily. So let me show you everything that I picked up. And just for reference, when I'm showing these things, I'm 5'7". I normally wear a large or extra large in tops and a medium or like a 10-12 size in jeans and bottoms. So this outfit is a size large. It fits really well, fits great on the top and the bottom, but I will try to put all the sizes that I got on the screen. This is the first one. Obviously I'm wearing it today. It is so soft. It reminds me of just wearing like a bed sheet, if that makes any sense to y'all. It's so soft, so comfy. And the thing I love about these types of outfits is you look kind of put together. So, you know, if somebody happens to ring the doorbell, which is normally children, I don't look like I'm in my pajamas, but it feels like it. So I will have all of these outfits that I'm going to talk about linked down below. Make sure you check down there. But this one, so cute, so comfy, so soft, and perfect for a cozy day at home. So if you're like me, you'll be pleasantly surprised to know that Zulily has so many cute and affordable clothing options. They have all sorts of clothes, shoes. I was just thinking today in my little comfy outfit that I really need some cute slippers to go along with this. So I hopped on Zulily. Of course, they have tons of options and they're all super affordable. And speaking of what all Zulily provides, they have so many big brands for great deals, all good quality, excellent customer service, which is a huge thing in my opinion. Timely delivery. I got all of my items within a couple weeks span, and you guys will see I ordered quite a few things. Zulily also will price match. If you happen to see a better price anywhere else, all you have to do is click on the little badge on a product's page and report a lower price. You only pay shipping on your first order of the day, and every order after that ships free. Also on Friday or Saturday, everything ships free. So how awesome is that? So Zulily is so fun because every day at 6 a.m. Pacific time, hundreds of new items go on sale just for a little period of time. So there's always new things added and new things to discover. I love that Zulily kind of has these little like categories. They're almost like mini boutiques on there. So I was searching this one. It said something about a ranch, something like that. Anyways, tons of cute clothes in this category, right up my alley. But then I saw this little blanket. How cute is this? It's all like camping theme. They even had some more themes down below. I was so surprised by that. You just never know all the unique things that you can really find on here. I had to add that one to my basket. Another cool feature that I really appreciate on the website is their orange rocket icon, and that just means that whatever product you see that on is actually already in Zulily's warehouse and it's ready to ship out right away. So you can actually just search for products with that icon in case you're looking for something and need it really quick. Also, you might notice a purple heart next to a brand. You can click on that to get notifications of when a product that you're loving might come back in stock. In addition to Zulily's regular 3-day sales, they also offer extra savings in the form of deal dashes, which are 18 hours or less, and deals of the day, which are obviously 1-day sales. And you can use Smart Pay on orders of $35 or more. You can break your payment into 2, and when you refer a friend, you can get a $15 store credit. So many ways to save on Zulily, and just So many browsing fun options. Like seriously, I could spend all day on here. So make sure to shop the links in my description box. I will have everything linked down below that you see in my try on haul today. So another thing I love for just days like today where I'm just hanging out at home are dresses. So maybe that's why I went a little bit crazy buying all the dresses, but I just love this one. It's so cute. It has pockets, it's lime green, and it's a really good length. Super, super soft and comfy, and it's just the perfect summer dress too. Obviously you could throw on like a denim jacket or something with this, some cute sandals, some cute kind of like platforms or like wedges, and this would be a really cute dress to go out in as well. But your girl's gonna be just wearing it comfy at home. So this dress, maybe one more I think that I got, they're the wrap style dresses, and they come down a little bit further than I would prefer. So I just really need something to wear under it, like a little tank or something. So I'm actually just gonna look for one, but I'm just kind of holding them shut in the video just so I can go ahead and show y'all the dresses. But yes, I will just be getting something to wear under here. But I love this one. I love the length of it. It's a little bit shorter in the front, but still, you know, very long. And this would be a perfect kind of everyday, year-round church dress. And I just love the green, kind of sage green color too. Okay, I had to pop back on because I think this is definitely another one of my favorites. It's also like the little wrap style dress right here, but as you can see, it just kind of hugs everything and fits really good. So I feel way more secure and comfortable in this one without something under it. But it just has a little tie around the front. It even has pockets. Again, a good length. Just for an everyday dress. You could, you know, do anything really. I don't know why I'm super into dresses right now. They're just so comfy, and this one is very, very soft as well. Okay, but one thing I just realized I'm trying it on. I'm gonna tie this in the back. It was really long, so I just tied it back around the front. But, oh, I didn't even realize it's like a wrap down here. That is so cute. But I think when you tie it in the front, it makes you look like you're expecting, like you just got a little bow around the baby right there. Let's not do that. Let's tie it in the back. All right, y'all, now back to the cooking. I love it when I just have enough time in the day just to like enjoy cooking. You know what I mean? Because I feel like y'all know what I mean. A lot of times you're just kind of hurrying to get things made and cooked or following a recipe, and I love it on days like today when I can just take my time, kind of make up things as I go, and really just cook, you know. So we're not making anything too gourmet today, but I thought some chicken noodle soup sounded really good, better than the hair that I keep eating. I thought chicken noodle soup sounded perfect for a day like today, so we're gonna make some of that. And then I think I have a really good idea for a blueberry cobbler. It's an easy idea, but we're gonna try it and see how it turns out. So let's do some cooking, and yeah, let's see how it turns out. All right, so I'm gonna bring you guys down in just a second where y'all can see better, but I'm gonna use my Dutch oven, just adding, wow, that was a weird noise, a couple tablespoons of butter. We're gonna let that melt, and then I have went ahead and chopped up celery, onion, and carrot in a bowl, and we're gonna get that sauteing and the house smelling so good. All right, my mirepoix. Don't you love that fancy word? That's like my favorite word. Yes. All right, it's softening up, so now we're gonna add some minced garlic, keeping with our fancy theme. Have a heaping tablespoon. Then we have 3 sprigs of fresh thyme. You can also use dried thyme. And I have 2 bay leaves. Toss that around just a little bit. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and add our chicken broth. I had a little bit, or chicken stock rather, have a little bit left from this can. I think the recipe calls for about 8 cups. So this will be about 6 cups, but we'll see if I need to add more. I can just make some with some water and chicken bouillon. All right, so we got our chicken stock and veggies and seasonings in there. I'm just gonna let this come back up to a simmer. All right, our soup's up to a simmer. So I just got a bag of egg noodles. My noodles are starting to simmer. I have some rotisserie chicken that actually picked up last night because I knew I was planning on this little day today and cooking this soup. And rotisserie chicken, y'all, I cannot talk. So I'm just gonna add in my rotisserie chicken. This is the easiest thing and it's so good to add to soups and things like that. Oh, you want a piece? Yeah. Right here. All right, so those noodles don't take long at all. So I'm just gonna let the chicken kind of warm up with our noodles. Oh my gosh, it looks delicious. This looks like the perfect cozy thing. I wish it was a little bit, hold on, I wish it was like, I don't know, 20 degrees cooler, or maybe a little bit cooler than that and snowy. But I'll take this day, this cozy day, however it comes. Even though it was like, what, it ended up being like 80 degrees today and it barely rained. That was the whole reason kind of why I wanted to have this cozy day today. At first they were saying it was gonna be 75 and like cool, no humidity, and raining this morning. I think it maybe rained for like 5 minutes this morning and that was it.
Maybe even 2 seconds.
Yeah, maybe even 2 seconds. But I'm so excited for fall. Oh my goodness. I wasn't really ready until today. Today, or like, I don't know, here recently. But now I'm getting so excited. I'm getting so excited to decorate, and fall is just the best. But let me know if y'all like to cook just on a cozy day. What is your favorite thing to cook?
What's your favorite holiday?
What's your favorite holiday?
Mine
just
is
have a whole
Valentine's
questionnaire.
Day.
But what's your favorite thing to cook? Mine are like soups and just things you have to simmer or that take a while. You know, I haven't made in forever. Remember risotto? That risotto that you have to keep adding the dry wine to, and you have to keep stirring it. I love to make that. I need to make it again.
My favorite is?
Favorite what?
My favorite thing to cook.
I'm talking about favorite thing to cook.
Well, what's my favorite thing to cook then?
Steak.
Probably
Steak.
Ribs or something on the smoker. What is it?
Ribs.
I got it! Yay!
Chicken noodle soup is finishing up. We're gonna go ahead and start our dessert. We're gonna make a blueberry lemon cobbler. I'm just gonna take some butter and run it all over my baking dish. To a bowl here, I'm gonna add about 3 or 4 cups of fresh blueberries. Okay. That one looks sketch, looks sus, as the kids say these days. That one looks sus, McKenna.
Try to be cool.
Another one looks sus. All right, so to our blueberries, we're gonna add 1/4 cup of sugar. We're gonna add about 1½ tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and then we're just gonna toss all this together. So next in our baking dish, we're just gonna add our blueberries. Spread those around. All right, blueberries in there. We're gonna set that to the side. All right, so in a microwavable dish, I'm just gonna add 1 stick of butter. And we're just gonna get that melted. All right, we got our melted stick of butter. Now we're gonna add 1 box of lemon cake mix. And what gave me this idea was, some of y'all might know my favorite all-time dessert is cherry cobbler, which is like a cherry dump cake with just a yellow butter cake mix on top of cherry pie filling. So good. So I thought this might be good for a blueberry cobbler. So let's add this in. And we're just gonna stir this up, and this should form like a crumbly dough. And bring our blueberries back over here. All right, now I'm gonna take our cake mixture and just kind of crumble it all over top of the blueberries. All right, lastly, I'm just gonna take my cinnamon sugar. Obviously, you could just do this with regular cinnamon and then sugar, and just sprinkle on the top. And this is gonna go in the oven at 350, probably for about 30 to 45 minutes. We're gonna keep an eye on it till that top starts browning up. Everybody said it's good, but let's try. I don't know what is up with my lighting right now. So we did the blueberry, the lemon cake. We got some vanilla ice cream in here. Sorry about the lighting. Let's try it. That was so good. Let me get some more blueberry. That is so good. That is so freaking good, y'all. Oh my gosh, that's good. The blueberry and the lemon cake together, and a little bit of cinnamon. This seriously might contend with my cherry cobbler. I ain't lying.
I think it's better than cherry cobbler.
Darren says better.
For right now, yeah, too.
Oh, we did put it with vanilla ice cream. This is the Tillamook brand old fashioned vanilla ice cream. It says really creamy on top, and it's delicious. The Tillamook ice cream, so good. So as you can see, Darren and I decided to end the night with a glass of wine on our back porch, and it's so relaxing. You guys know we just love sitting out there. We're enjoying it so much. But thank y'all for hanging out with me today. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and seriously, go try this blueberry lemon cobbler. I'll have the recipe typed out below. You will not be disappointed. It is so good. It's amazing how good the simple ingredients are together. But anyways, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys real soon in my next video. Bye.